jambalaya, Cajun sausages, shrimp, bell pepper, onions, garlic, and tomato paste with basil, oregano, I think garlic paste. I got basil leaves, thyme leaves, oregano, chili powder, smoked paprika. I got some garlic cloves chopped up in what else I'm forgetting? Seasoning, seafood seasoning, rice boiling. Just about done, another 15 minutes. And I ain't taste some of this right here, and taste some of this. And it just got better. Ready to chop down in a minute. And there you have it, jambalaya. Sausages, shrimp, bell pepper, onions, garlic, cloves, smoked paprika, chili powder, seafood seasoning, oregano, basil, thyme leaves. Ready to chow down now.